Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we are looking at the Pixel 6a and the Pixel 4a 5G. Just wanted to do a quick comparison. I am trading in the Pixel 4a 5G for the Pixel 6a. So just really quick guys, I picked this up almost about a year ago, and this has been my second device for about that time. I never used it as my primary device. And as of right now, the plan is not to make the Pixel 6a my primary device. It will also serve as my second device to do, my camera filming, to do, just like all my secondary needs for my channel. Taking pictures, just things of that nature. But just wanted to just really talk about these two devices. I think Google did a really good job with the Pixel 4a 5G. This thing is well built. I like how it feels. Not really premium. It's light. The frame of the device is made out of metal, and the back is like a plastic. Fingerprint readers right there. Cameras served me pretty well. But just in my quick testing with the Pixel 6a, I have noticed that the cameras are better, and just the performance with the Pixel 6a is just better overall. And that's not to be surprising because this has the Tensor in it. So yeah, just looking around at the Pixel 6a, the back, I love how this thing looks. The white on black on gray looks really nice. The frame is it's like metal. It's like aluminum. The back is it's not glass. It's like a plastic, like a really hard plastic, and it feels nice. I really like how this feels. The size of this device is really nice as well. The 6.1 inches screen is really nice. The fingerprint reader has served me well. It works just fine. I haven't had the issue that some has reported with it working on unregistered fingers. Have not had that issue at all. This phone here never really had that issue because it has like a capacitive sensor, so there's no issues there with that. The performance, I will say it did take a little bit of a hit with Android 13. This is running Android 13 right now, but again, I'm trading this in, getting that good deal that Google had for us during the pre-order period. So yeah, this device, again, the Pixel 6a just has really impressed me. I used it this past weekend to take pictures of some ducks, some geese, and just really had a good time with this. Never had an issue with it overheating when I was doing videos and pictures, so no problem at all with that. This one, I did have issues when I was outside trying to film, but those issues were like pretty minimized. It's just when I did it for long periods of time. So yeah, this was a good device. And if you're looking for like a phone that you're not really going to use and just have, I would say the Pixel 4a 5G. I wouldn't go any older than that. This is a really good device, for the time. So yeah, the big difference between these two devices is just Tensor, and just the performance is way better on this device. So yeah, if you're in the market, the Pixel 6a is definitely a good look, and you should definitely take a look at it if you're in the market. So yeah guys, this is not going to be a long video. Just wanted to just quickly discuss the reason why I'm trading it in, and what I was using before and what I'm using now. So yeah, that's it for this one guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.